How to remove caches in Windows 10. First of all, open the Windows Start menu and here search for Disk Cleanup. Once you get the results, click on it to open. After that, it will start calculating how much space you can free up. Once the scanning is complete, you will see a list of file types, so select the cache files that you want to remove by check marking them. After removing these cache files, click on Clean up System Files to remove cache and unnecessary files. It will take a few moments and unnecessary files will be removed. Now choose the file type you want to delete and after selecting, click on OK button. A pop-up will appear on the screen. Here click on Delete Files to confirm. It will take a few moments to remove the selected cache files. Your cache files will be removed successfully. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.